Hi dear children, how are you? I hope you all are studying the lessons. All are studying the exam portion. 3 lessons are in our exam. Study well. Okay. Today we are going to start about our next lesson, soil. Next lesson name, soil. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. It provides anchorage to the plants and supplies water and minerals. All the plant's roots penetrate deeply into the soil and absorb water and nutrients from the soil. It is the home for many other organisms, earthworm and microorganisms, and soil is the home for small living organisms, and it is very important for agriculture. Agriculture provides food, shelter and clothing for all. So, soil is one of the most important part of our life, or it is an inseparable part of our life. In this lesson, we discuss about the properties of soil and characters of soil. Do you know how soil is formed? The soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks, by the action of wind, water and climate. The soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks, by the action of wind, water and climate. And this process is called weathering. What is called? Weathering. Soil is formed by breaking down of rocks, by the action of water, wind and climate. And this process is called weathering. Weathering is the process of breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water and climate. The next one, soil profile. Soil profile. Next one, soil profile. What is soil profile? Soil profile. A vertical section through different layers of the soil is called soil profile. What is soil profile? A vertical section through the layers of the soil is called soil profile. A vertical section through the different layers of the soil is called soil profile. What is soil profile? A vertical section through different layers of the soil is called soil profile. And these layers is called horizon. Layers of the soil is called horizon. Each layers of the soil is different from color, depth and chemical composition. These layers of the soil is called horizon. What is called horizon? What is soil profile? A vertical section through different layers of the soil is called soil profile. And each layers of the soil is differs from color, depth and chemical composition. And these layers is called horizon. What is called horizon? There are 4 layers of the soil. We can say that the vertical section, that time we can say that different layers of the soil, and these layers is called horizon. A horizon, B horizon, C horizon and last one bedrock. ഒരു കേക്ക് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അത് അതിനകത്ത് ഓരോ ലെയർ ആയിട്ടായിരിക്കും, ചോക്ലേറ്റും അതുപോലെയുള്ള എന്താണ് കേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ മിക്സ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഓരോ ലെയേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ടാണ്. അതിനൊരു സെക്ഷൻ എടുത്ത് നോക്കുക, മനസ്സിലായോ? അപ്പോൾ അതുപോലെയാണ് എന്ത് വെർട്ടിക്കൽ സെക്ഷൻ ത്രൂ ദ സോയിൽ ഈസ് കോൾഡ് സോയിൽ പ്രൊഫൈൽ ആൻഡ് ദ ലേയേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ സോയിൽ ഈസ് കോൾഡ് horizon. What is called horizon? We usually see the top layer of the soil. The top layer of the soil contain humus and nutrients. What is humus? The rotting of the dead matter in the soil is called humus. That is plants and animal waste. We can see only top layer of the soil. We can see the top layer of the soil and not the layers below it. Soil profile can also be seen while digging a well or laying the foundation for building. That time we can see the vertical section of the soil. Uppermost layer of the horizon, that is a horizon, is generally dark in color and it containing more humus and it supports the plant's growth. The plant's roots it penetrate into the soil. So the plant's roots absorb nutrients from this topper layer of the soil. So the topper layer of the soil is dark in color and it is rich in humus. This layer is generally soft, porous and it retains water. So it is called the top soil or a horizon. The top soil is soft, porous and it can retain water. Water retaining capacity is high. So this top layer of the soil is called a horizon. The top layer of the soil is a horizon. Okay. What is horizon? The different layers of the soil is called horizon. And top layer of the soil is porous, soft and it can retain water and it containing more humus. In humus, it produce nutrients to the soil. And this top layer of the soil is called a horizon. Top layer of the soil is called a horizon. Okay. The next layer of the soil is less amount of humus but more minerals. Okay. The second layer of the soil is less amount of humus but more amount of minerals. And this layer is called B horizon. Second layer is B horizon. B horizon containing less amount of humus but more minerals. This layer is generally harder and more compact. And this is the middle layer of the soil. So this layer is called B horizon. Second layer of the soil is or middle layer of the soil is B horizon. And it is very less in humus but more minerals. And it is very harder than the top layer of the soil and more compact. So this layer is called B horizon or middle layer of the soil. Okay, top layer of the soil is A horizon and it is soft, porous and rich in humus and it can water retaining capacity. Then second layer of the soil is B horizon. It is less rich in humus but more minerals and it is harder than the first top layer of the soil and this layer is called B horizon. Okay, do you understand the two layers of the soil, A horizon and B horizon? Okay, the next layer of the soil is C horizon. The third layer is the C horizon and which is made up of small lumps of rocks with cracks and crevices. ചെറിയ ചെറിയ കല്ലുകളും അങ്ങനെയുള്ള എന്താണ് ക്രാക്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞില്ല, പാറകൾ പൊടിഞ്ഞുണ്ടാകുന്നത്, അതാണ് ചെറിയ കല്ലുകളൊക്കെ കാണപ്പെടുന്നതാണ് ഇത് സി ഹൊറിസോൺ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പം ദ തേർഡ് ലെയർ ഈസ് സി ഹൊറിസോൺ ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് മെയ്ഡ് അപ്പ് ഓഫ് സ്മോൾ ലംസ് ഓഫ് ക്രാക്സ്, small lumps of rocks with cracks and crevices. The third layer of the soil is called the sea horizon. Third one, sea horizon. And it is made up of small lumps of rocks with cracks and crevices. ചെറിയ ചെറിയ കല്ലുകളും പാറക്കൂട്ടങ്ങളും ഒക്കെ കാണപ്പെടുന്നതാണ് സീ ഹൊറിസോൺ ലെയർ. And the last layer is bedrock. And the last layer is bedrock. Below the sea horizon, the layer is called bedrock. The last layer of the soil is bedrock. Bedrock is very hard and difficult to dig with a spade. Okay, അപ്പോൾ bedrock എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ടോട്ടലി ഫുൾ, അതായത് ലാർജ് സൈസ് റോക്സ് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസ് വരുന്നതാണ് bedrock. അപ്പോൾ bedrock is very hard. So it is very difficult to dig with a spade. Okay, do you understand these layers of the soil? First we learned soil. What is soil? The soil is one of the natural resources. It is one separable part of our life. And soil helps the plants and the roots deeply penetrate. It absorbs water and minerals. All small living organisms are living in the soil. And soil helps in agriculture. Agriculture provides food, shelter and clothes for all. How soil is formed? Soil is formed by the action of wind, like breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, climate and water. This process is called weathering. The next one we studied soil profile. What is soil profile? Vertical section through the different layers of the soil is called the soil profile. And soil, these different layers are varies in their size, shape, color, depth and chemical composition. This layer is called horizon. These layers are called horizons. There are 4 layers: A horizon, B horizon, C horizon and last one bedrock. The A horizon is the top layer of the soil. It is rich in humus and minerals. It supports the plant's growth. It is very soft and it has water retaining capacity. Then second layer of the soil is B horizon. It is harder than the top layer of the soil. It is a middle layer of the soil. The next layer is C horizon. It is made with the small rocks with cracks and crevices. The last layer of the soil is bedrock. It is very hard and difficult to dig with spade. Okay, dear children, the next class we will discuss the next portion, properties of soil, then soil erosion, etc. Dear children, I hope you all are understood this portion very well. Everybody should read the textbook carefully. If you have any doubt, you call me. The next class we will meet again. Okay, dear children, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Bye.